Today, we're gonna make a Shih Tzu dog. I almost want to say make a sushi dog, but it's a Shih Tzu, right? Okay, actually my dog is a Shih Tzu dog, so this picture is my dog. I'm gonna use white clay, white air dry clay to make. You guys welcome to use any color for this dog project. We need a water bottle to keep the clay moist, and you see I am making this kind of a dot. It's for two eyes and the nose. So I just drip a couple drops of water on my clay to keep it moist and soft. First, we're gonna make the body first. So it's a very good idea to start with the ball. Then you roll it into a cylinder. So you're making like this kind of shape. This is the head. And now I am making the back leg. Start with the ball and then you push down and then shade into this kind of a triangle. See, push down and shade into triangle. I always like to start with the ball because that is a very basic shape for everything almost. So the tail, to making like this kind of hairy looking, I use scissors. See, I use anything for my tool. That is my mechanical pencil for poking those holes for the eye. And here too, it's for the ear. I also started with the ball and then, so look, started with the ball and then mashed it, then shade into a triangle. Same thing like how we did the back leg. The clay is very soft, so it's better to not giving any strong force on those soft clay, or it's gonna change the shape. So after I have done the head part, so right now I'm putting the water on it to soften up the clay so it can easy to make those hairy texture. For those hairy looking, you can use a scissor to cut or use this kind of a little bit more sharper knife to squirt it on the clay. See, here's how I use the knife to squirt it. And I think the scissor is pretty good idea to make a you know, the separate hairy looking. See, like this. But sometime on the back hair, then I will soften up the clay to just squirt it because you don't want to cut too deep of those texture, and then it's a overdose of that kind of a hair look. So the water have dripping down to the bottom, so That's not good. Anyway, just dry those water and then keep the area that you want to have a hair texture moist. So then you can easy to make those kind of a texture. So now it's almost done. What do you guys think? So the dog on the side, on the right side, I was using different kind of method to make the hair on the back, and I was rolling a lot of a snake shape, just like how I make those eyebrow area, those kind of a small snake shape on the back. Then I used the knife to score it, so that make the texture a little bit thicker and more like more hairy looking. So that is the optional for you to make. If you like my video, please hit the like for support or subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.